What is a credit score? You have probably been seeing it on the news or from CIBI social media pages and wonder what credit score is really about and why should it matter to you. A credit score is a 3-digit number that predicts your likelihood of paying a loan. Lenders use the credit scores to determine if Juan de la Cruz qualifies for a loan or what interest rate or credit limit to give depending on his potential risk. Just like a test score, a teacher would instantly know if you have passed or you may need to improve more on your exams. If a test score sums up how many right answers you have on the test questionnaire, a credit score is calculated using a special algorithm that considers your history of payments, how much debt you use, the length of your exposure to credit, how many accounts you recently opened, and what other credit types you have as a borrower. Clearly, a credit score assesses all the vital areas in understanding your credit worthiness. Credit score is a quick and accurate method used by lenders worldwide for more than 3 decades. Credit score ranges from 300 to 850, with 850 as the highest. The higher the score, the more an individual will be entitled for a good interest rate or better credit services. If we have been asking why most of the individuals from advanced countries can easily buy cars or build their assets, this is probably one of their secrets. Credit scoring is not only limited to banks. Other financial institutions or even commercial businesses employ the same techniques for their KYC and pre-employment processes. Are you interested to know your credit score? Have it by following these 3 simple steps. 1. Update your credit record with your submitting entity. 2. Ensure that your submitting entity is compliant to the Credit Information Corporation. And 3. Get your credit from us. Visit our website for more info.